Hello, this is Kate Feeks from Medina County Court News. On Thursday, January 12th, Medina County Common Pleas Judge James L. Kimbler had a relatively light docket. He sentenced 2 defendants and took a change of plea from a 3rd defendant. The 2 defendants he sentenced were Anthony B. Cortan and Timothy W. Booth. The defendant he took a change of plea from was Sean Bazan. Here are the 2 hearings involving Mr. Cortan and Mr. Booth.
Put you on non-residential community control sanctions. You report to the Medina County Adult Probation Department for 3 years under general supervision. You are to pay restitution in the amount of $664 to Denise Hosdreck. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing that name. And I want that paid within 90 days.
Yes, sir.
And you pay her, I want you to make restitution before you pay anything else, before you pay court costs, before you pay anything else. He is to submit to random regular drug testing and be arrested on first positive finding. Because he is employed, he is to pay court costs, supervision fees, and drug testing fees associated with this case. In the event that he was to violate the conditions of probation, he's looking at 180 days in jail. Okay. And I put him on supervision for 3 years. You want him on general, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, general supervision. He's going to have to do 90 days in home arrest, but we'll review that at 45 days. So he might not, if he does everything we want him to do, he can go to work, he's got to work out the schedule for other things he can be absent from, but he has to work out the schedule prior to walking out the door without being off schedule, so to speak, and he's got to work it out with the person. He is not to possess or consume alcohol. He must make, are you working right now?
I have a job offer, Your Honor.
Okay. You must make best efforts to obtain and maintain gainful, verifiable employment. You must do 24 hours of community service. You must complete the Crossroad program. You must pay, I'm going to waive court costs because you're not working right now. I am going to require you to pay for drug testing fees, and I'm going to require you to pay a monthly community control sanction fee if you are working. Okay, once you are employed, you have to pay that monthly fee, but until then you do not. Okay? But you always have to pay for the drug testing. We pay for the home arrest, except for the hookup. What's the hookup fee?
$25, sure.
25?
Yes.
So you need $25 to hook up for the home arrest. A nice lady will come out and take care of that for you. Okay? He's actually a former deputy sheriff down in Stark County, isn't she? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I found out. I ran into her. I had an interesting talk with her. She was quite an interesting person.
Right now, they have an office on the square here too.
Yes, I heard that. She told me that.
We're just having them go and work directly from here to be hooked up.
So the good news is, well, I got to suspend your license. I'll give you a minimum suspension of 6 months, and we'll give you occupational privileges. To get those privileges, you have to have no other suspensions in effect, and you have to have proof of insurance. Okay? And obviously, it helps if you have a job and get employment. Now, if you were to violate the terms and conditions of supervision, you're looking at 180 days in jail for a first violation. Okay, so Mr. Booth, you're on kind of a thin ice with us because of your bond reporting situation. However, right now I'm not going to put you in prison, but if you mess up, it's not going to take much messing up for me to put you in jail. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Following Mr. Cortan and Mr. Booth's hearings, Judge Kimbler conducted Mr. Bazan's change of plea hearing, and here's that hearing.
Nature of the charge.
Yes.
Do you understand the nature of the potential penalty?
Yes.
How do you plead?
No contest.
Waive presentation, Ms. Rosenberg.
Yes, sir.
And do you now withdraw your plea of not guilty?
Yes.
Anything further from the state of Ohio to change the plea? No. Anything further from the defense counsel on the change of plea?
No, Your Honor.
Court finds for the record that Mr. Bazan made a knowing, voluntary, intelligent change of plea. The court took the change of plea after it was satisfied by inquiry that he did understand his criminal rule 11 constitutional rights. He did make the plea in open court and upon the record. Therefore, the court does find him guilty of one count of possession of drugs. violation of RC 2925.11A C1 small a, felony of the 5th degree. Court will impose, or will order a PSI, will impose sentence on February 23rd, 2012.
Thank you for watching this video edition of Medina County Court News.